So today I want to talk a little bit about our Pro Series range. This is our wet line for everyday use. Our 7-step process called the science of full head bonding already has 2 shampoos in the system. So your question might be, why do I need more shampoos? Well, those 2 shampoos are specifically for the process of detaching, cleaning, and reattaching. The Pro Series range is for a number of different reasons, and I'm going to explain them to you now. So the Pro Series Shampoo is a shampoo that is sulfate-free, has UV protectant, and also does not dry out the hair. It protects it and protects the color. So why is that important? Well, you know, if you're a hair wearer, one of the biggest problems when you're using shampoos is the drying out and discoloration of hair, and it happens quite frequently depending on the quality of the hair that you're using. Pro Series Shampoo will protect that in any capacity and any case. The Pro Series conditioner is a conditioner that is formulated very specifically to help hair units not lose their hair. So what do I mean by that? So if you're wearing a polyurethane hair unit, you know that the hair is injected into the polyurethane base and they leave tiny microscopic holes which most conditioners will actually seep into and the hair will slip out. Our Pro Series conditioner will actually stop that happening. It does nourish the hair and nurture the hair to the way you need it, but ultimately it will save your hair from falling out of the polyurethane base. So the Pro Series leave-in conditioner is a spray leave-in conditioner for everyday use that you can apply every day to keep the hair nourished and make sure it has the UV protection that it needs to ensure that the color doesn't fade from the unit. If you have any questions about any of the products, please get in touch with us today by phone or by email. We're always at the other end of the line. Response time is quite quick, so you'll never be without answers for too long.